Today I'm going to show you how to add text overlays in Riverside. So we have just opened up a video project over here in Riverside. We're going to go over to the right hand side. You will see there are quite a few different options, and here you can actually scroll, and if you don't want to scroll, you can actually use these arrows at the top and at the bottom. You'll have additional options here. Now once you click on text, you will have two options. If you have created a brand kit, you'll have the brand styles, and every one of these you can customize. If you go into brand, we've made a video on it, so if you'd like to check that out, you can go ahead and search for it in our channel. If you want to use one of the other presets, so here's smart styles, we can go ahead and let's say we want to choose this one over here. You can see that it has now thrown it on there. Here it is on our timeline. So now you can just go ahead and change the text inside here. Here's the text style, so you can choose what you want to actually use. Here's the style, and then we have the text style. Okay, so let's say we want a background with it. We want to also change the font style, so let's go with this one, and then we want to change the size. Let's say we want to make it large. We can also animate this. Okay, so as it's coming on to your screen, this is what it could look like. It'll show you a little sample with every one that you put your cursor over. Okay, you can also choose the out animation, and then with the in and out you can change the duration, so that'll make it faster or slower. You can change the color, the cap, alignment, and the corner rounding of the box over here, and then you can duplicate, copy, remove, and then if you want to bring it forward and backwards over different layers over here, you can do this either here, or you can literally go and just place it at different spots. Okay, so if you put it there, it'll be above whatever's on this track over here. There we go. Now you got your text, and you can continue with your project editing.